In the properties of exponents, we have that a to the 1 is equal to a which would equal 10 to the 1 is equal to 10 or equal 5 to the 1 is equal to 5. Any number raised to the exponent 1 is equal to that same number. To the 0 is equal to 110 to the 0 is equal to 120. To the 0 is equal to 1. Any number other than 0 raised to the 1 is 1 to the n by to the m is equal to the n plus m. Which means that if we have 5 to the 2 times 5 to the 5, it will be equal to 5 to the sum of 5 plus 2, which would be 5 to the 7. To the n between to the m is equal to the n minus m. If we have 5 raised to the 10 between 5 raised to the 4, it will be equal to 5 raised to the 10 minus 4, which would be 5 raised to the 6 to the m raised all to the n, gives us to the m by n an example 5 raised to the 5. All this in parentheses raised to the 5.